turn and dance. Put in your belly, make a girl and ball. Wine and box. Swan money for your pussy, come work for your dance. Never getting black with your blood job. Suck that you all night. Now tell me nothing about price. The Louis V full, you forget the whole tight. And I like you, I work, but me don't know the style. From the box to the Kyle. I remember the girls are drugs. But too much you make the girl ball up. If I the money, then you earn her. Girl, I say she want money, me not turn her. Don't make she wine pop, body till I skirt that come. She said the cocky hurt her, love when it furlong. Run it up her hurt one. Every girl want fun, but before I figure done, if I boy not fun. She want Birkin bag, designers like them are worth $6,000. Me find a client who can't fool and say she not run a fuck if I'm not working man. What is she looking? Fuck boy, you are. Girls are drugs, but too much in the girl ball up. If I no money, then you earn her. Girl, I say she want money, me not turn her. Don't make she wine pump, body girl a skirt her. She said the cocky hurt her, love when it furlong, run it up her top. Every girl want fun, but the fun I figure done if I boy not fun. Fuck boy, you are. Fuck boy, you are. Girls are drugs, but too much in the girl ball up. If I no money, then you earn her. Girl, I say she want money, me not turn her. Don't make she wine pump, body girl a skirt her. She said the cocky hurt her, love when it furlong, run it up her top. Every girl want fun, but the fun I figure done if I boy not fun.
Because they don't need a leading frontier model.
Explain that.
They have OpenAI IP for free for the next 7 years. So they can.
What you want to do is save hundreds when Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance.
That's great, but can you ask your friend to stop digging into the green?
I can ask, but he's not going to.
We have a DJ, man. She said she would have died for me. This life, time. Be a surprise for me. She ready, she willing to give up a long time, give me a kiss. Feel me a bit, that I don't miss. Yo, listen this quick. She would jump through hoops, do anything mommy asks. Turn a rebel and break every law. Hang up him and off on the phone when me call. Then every dollar off I ain't credit card. When me want some, she no hesitate for let it off. Safe sex, but a regular she make me get it raw. Your enemy and me enemy, so anyone this you me and not tell about me when make it clap. Risky call for me, play it all on the line. Rather than she not let go for me. So on me like a flea. That's my type of chick. Risky call for me, play it all on the line. Rather than she not let go for me. Stop on me like a flea. My die. She will cut her friend and family fi get it on. And defend me even though she know me wrong. Like me love, she no need to get no class. Big man, but never feel fi make me no pause. I love front deep like a reservoir. Trouble me and her head chip like a memory card. Bad girl like a rope in a me room every man. Give her back shot like with a in a war. Skin all for me, play it all on the line. Brother that she not let go for me. So on me like a flea. That's my type of chick. Skin all for me, play it all on the line. Brother that she not let go for me. Stop on me like a flea. My child jump troops, do anything when me ask. Turn a rebel and break every law. Hang up him and off on the phone when me call. Spend every dollar off I ain't credit card. When me want some, she no hesitate for let it off. Safe sex, but a regular she make me get it raw. Your enemy and me enemy, so anyone this you me and not tell about me when make it crack. Risky call for me, play it all on the line. Rather than she not let go of me. So I me like a flea. That's my type of chick. Risky call for me, play it all on the line. Rather than she not let go of me. So I me like a flea.
It's very uneven right now. There's a big dislocation between companies that are getting a lot of credit.
Yo. Yeah, Basco. Some Portmore. Going. Money and girl man love.
Waiting for this shit to cross up. The whole time this shit cross.
Some of them girl never water you down. Money and girls man love. The ambition I like dogs. From foreign to yard.
Following the wave.
But I was like, he name Jesus. Bad man want close if I hit like Jesus.
Follow the leader.
One stamp them name on the ground, like Nike and Adidas. One life, 1 million bitches, one wife, keep stacking riches, that's right. Look with me a beat, not night affiliate, change over. GLE, Range Rover, call that hype life. Call that hype life. Well, I must be a guy when you want to see me broke. The bank account till like choke. Let me talk, give them my money back. I never see an ego stuck. But the private jet gone up. When I reach my thing there for. Broke life, make it kill us in dark. No pay fast, make it taste like dope. Hey. Gotta make my money, gotta make my halo. God knows I need my halo. And there will never be another me or another you. Millionaires from the ghetto. Gotta make my money, gotta make my halo. God knows I need my halo. And there will never be another me or another you. Millionaires from the ghetto. Represent fake dogs and what they are you get. Real youngster, we not itch, we not stress. This is not the alphabet when we say rise. Hey, make me round that brick stack. One hour balance. Get know me achieve when I eat the mix. Make money fast and 9.6. Psychiatrist, man, with the money. You can boss like Michael Phipps. Anyways, the gas in the gully, yo, she want the moon can't straight business. Don't fuck around when you have my bread. Don't send no crumbs, so send no chips. The man them dead. By the end, fully beat G-Wagon them. Be pretty girl pass through.
But he got show that he went on. Even though he went down past the side, he got show me that cross are blue.
Gotta make my money, gotta make my halo.
See, you know, it looks like coming out of the way of my soul.
And there will never be another me or another you. Millionaires from the ghetto. Gotta make my money, gotta make my halo. God knows I need my halo. And there will never be another me or another you. Millionaires from the ghetto.
Cross this high, that's the confirmation.
See if it's not come down. Some of them girls have the water you down. From foreign to God. One papers broad.
Downward bearish trend anyway. So if you do go down, it go down. We still in the oversold territory. You're going down, see? Still pushing.
As a dedicated contract services driver, I've run the same route for years. We need to learn what the customer needs and what excellent customer service means to them. But you also get to know them on a more human level. We talk every time.
High probability, so you
Ask
know.
how their families are doing, and they check.
If anything happen, see, starting to go up a little now. Like I say, if anything happen, we're gonna put you there. The algorithm. Of my movement, if I lose. Even though it's going up, so I don't catch it when it goes up. I should be going up. Listen up. I ain't trying to confuse you guys. It's still out there over soul, so we're gonna catch that in. Watch magic. Going against the trend. We see we break. break it, so we always try to push up. We coming out over soul, but like I say, the algorithm. Hit the algorithm. I going against the trend and I winning against the trend. Hit the algorithm. They say you have to be at least 90% probability. With you, it gotta be at least 90% probability. And you gonna catch it, even if it change the whole direction. So now, check this out. We're going up now. So let's switch up. I catch the last down trade from this down trade, catch it around here. Now we're going up, so I catching the up trade now. Stop playing. You could be creative. Stop playing. We still really in a down trade. Downtrend, I mean. The idea behind the cloud was, the growth had gotten so large and it started to appear as though, the numbers, large numbers, made so that the year-over-year growth wasn't as. The probability was high for going up, so if I do lose, I'm going to double up again. Fuck it. That's the retracement. That's the forest retracement right there. What we doing? Then we see that continue along the way. Yes, the rocket has landed. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. What we doing? We cross this high, we going up. You see it playing games, they ain't really cross it. But we could go up because it crossed this right there. It crossed over here, you see? Cross this there, it went equal with this set. It ain't really crossed. It crossed with that. It already crossed over here. So I'm like, okay, I'm going right now. Fuck it. Kakanachi. Fast. Quick. Yeah, we going through the clouds. This is turn our wave, feckle. This the original chart for my trading that I if I add the Ichimucho over here. We kill good sacrifice to big notes. I got 10 mil for the German import. Don't step no cap in that. You see we can think of a winner pass. This the ripple wave effect. This the original chart I ever had. The wave effect. This the thunder wave effect. Or I'm gonna say this the new one I made in 2026. So this is the thunder. The thunder is when I add the cloud onto this end. That's a thunder wave effect. It's an original wave effect. This is ripple wave effect. I put a cloud on it as thunder wave effect because now it's like the shit ripping through the clouds. See it ripping through the clouds. You have to go through the clouds. You know what I mean? This one right there is pocket. We're in the pocket wave effect. So once we hit there, that's the pocket. The pocket means we up here. When it go down, that's the pocket. Yeah, the pocket. So we're going down now. Everything flapping down. Flapping down. It's just touch, so we could go down. But we gonna wait for a confirmation once one of these Eta blue. If you don't Eta blue, that means they're going back up. This a Eta is, so that means they're going up. Me live in high France and the killer them not Japan post and not see me in a Japan clothes. The German cars, the Mandali and a Ballantor. Ballantor. An opening bid, Yahoo Finance That's the condo right there. If I zoom in, you're gonna see that little piece of condo right there. Eat that little piece, so we go down.
2, 3, 4.
There's a high probability we might go down.
Technology, am I right?
So I doubling up if I lose.
new tech lead.
Sponsor your job on Indeed and get matched with quality candidates when you need them most. Visit Indeed.
It's all about probabilities. Catch the highest probability. But like we still in the fucking high zone. We try to come out of the overboard. Now we coming out. Just by this play. They crossed at it, then they crossed at it again. Wow, man. No. Y'all want to try to fake you out. And you get emotional and shit. But like I said, if you know, we going down, nigga. I'm going again. If it crosses slow right there, I go down. Look at that. I'll finish off there. Stop playing. Stop playing. Okay, trash. Don't know. Down somewhere. High probabilities make you feel good. Double up if you lose. Yeah. I'm on the wave. Following the wave. Soft in that bitch. And I'm dying nice. Fuck. Nice. Come on, thank God for this shit. I'm sick of tired of this life. I'm ready to turn up. Get it. Listen. Pop into the tapo. Coming out how they move our soul. So we gonna wait for confirmation. It might go back down, so we really in over soul. The higher time frame is over soul, so we really down for it. Well, we try and pop out though. Pop out. There we go. It don't look right on this side. It looks like it break up in two, but this one is definitely a break. So we in good mood. Could double up if you want. If you lose, double up. We in high probability. That's always about high probability. This is covering up. We're going back up. High probability trades. That's the only trade you should be in. Use the indicators and then look at the chart. If you look at the chart, then look at the indicators. But me, look at the indicators and look at the chart. Sound be like them niggas on YouTube, one trade killer. Stop playing. What? Target up on your life, we are collect every cent. We are come to take your life when you're getting in your bed. Nigga at the night, chocolate in your head. Basket up on the rifle if you collect enough. If you go high, come on road and you with dead. Mount a gun, we got buy, better have money to spend. Party fine, that a kiss up ligament. Knock it on a guy, kill him and him friend. On the town and the whole place fuck up. If I got ball and left hole in a shot. Your mother want you, she know you're not tough. No, she got ball and a roll in a duck. No fight hard if you know say you're broke. I'm an artist, man. I'm an art man. I'm into all types of like. I'm into art. music, cooking all I fuck. I can rap into fashion, into all I look. I'm going pop, pop, copy. Come on, I seen this shit over and over. Look, I already crossed that top. Paper trading. Come on, going to this top of there. Come on, man. What's up? Come on, fuck all that. We in high probability. We watching. Check this out. We in high probability. So we going up. Fuck all that retracement. Yeah. Stop. Come on. Paper trading. Come on. I would have been in this trade right now. Let's go. Up. Going up to this height. I would have said everything before I even talk. I seen what going on. I'm trying to put in language for you. You heard me? Look at that bullshit. Wake up. Well, so look at that bullshit trying to catch me out. But what happened? Wake up. Because I already know I'm in high probability. Stop playing. Stop playing. Get on to the next. I already kill out without killing it. I kill it without killing it. I'm going on. Keep this shit overhead going up. It's already up. Busting up. Getting money every day. We cashing up. Chilling every day. We gotta laugh it up. Positive vibe, you know. Cellio wanna move better, know. Getting cash, I'm on the market, trying to get the market in my favor. You know, million lifestyle is me wildin' from the island, smoking trees, getting high. Then I fly to America on a private jet ski. You know, I be living life. I be what? Going up, wow. The process how we going up because we already trying to come out of over soul. So that's what we waiting for right now. But if it go down, that means now you know you try to go back down to over soul territory. We gotta go up to the overboard. This gotta go up this. You gonna get a push up. Told you. I'm going to process higher. We up. I'm going to try and go up. Okay. What? Every day. Alright, that's it right there. Stupid. Dumb motherfucker. Dumb ass. Stupid. I never made that move. This shit dumb. Reading you like a book, poetry. I'm spitting on it. Straight bars.
We had to go help people customize and save hundreds of Liberty Mutual.
Chart of the day. We got
I'm trying to show off.
You got space stocks on your
Trying to scare niggas.
Yes, and check it out.
Some of that touching the bitch on top. Trying to scare niggas out their position. And then I'll be like, fuck, well, let's move on to the next trade. Yeah, right. Any trade I get, like, at the end, I gotta finish with a win. And we're moving on to the next new trade. Nothing up, nigga. Stop playing. Yo, we've been alive for 24 minutes. Let's keep going. Trading. Shit going up. See that cross right there, bro? Nice cross. Look at that. Already cross. We're gonna do one more cross. I could go up right now, but we're gonna do one more cross. That's it right there. Yellow, whole yellow get cross. could have been went up because he all of this right there with this one candle. So I could have went up, but I said let me wait to cross this cross it. Bouncing off of the club. You guys scared? I used to get scared of shit like that. Not no more. Like, what the fuck is going on? Fuck, what the fuck? I used to be scared. I impressed on, do all type of bullshit. Just remember, once you trade a high probability type of trade, you don't be scared. Even if it is all that bullshit, double up, man. And they come into the clubs, they might start going down. But like I say, over here, we come out a motherfucking oversold. But that don't mean it ain't one. Yeah, we standing oversold. That's gonna be a hard one right there. So this, once it happen like this, like you're going against your shit, you could fuck it and just go with it. Top down if you want, but once this type of vibe energy start coming, like damn, it going against me, like I said, look, you could go with it, boom, but it's time for algorithm time. Fuck it, you gonna have to spend that bread.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Mortgage rates jumping back up and reaching the highest level.
You have to spend that bread. Double up, 80.
Marking the second half of this year, Citizens Managing Director and
80. There we go.
Jay, it is good to see you. So let's start there, Jay. Mortgage rates reaching their highest
so
level.
So I get an up trade, a down trade.
30-year fixed rising.
Go ahead with shit like it went with them, but I'm still gonna do algorithm move and get it down trade evenly on the uptrend.
Yeah, thanks for having me on, Josh. I think for the home builders,
even though we're on the uptrend, I'm gonna get my long trade back.
Rate buy downs. I think it's a competitive advantage for them versus existing homes for sale. Higher rates
sweet off
make it a little more
trade
expensive for the builders
just
to buy
stick
down
with
those
it
rates.
on algorithm,
But
you
at the
catch
same
it.
time,
Even if you're going
get the
around
balance
with
payment they can afford.
right now, I should be going up
To
again
make that equation work, but the builders for the
because
last
it's
3
an
years have been
uptrend.
playing with house
They
sizes
said one
and
catch up
rate
to
buy
the
downs
top.
to find the payment for
They
each
said
individual
one be
buyer.
over here, one to be like over here, touching it top.
Accepting the 30-year fix around these levels? Are more folks stepping in saying, hey, okay, this is the new normal?
I think it's improved over last year. You think back to last
I'm in
year.
the algorithm for the
Europe
down
and some
trade.
confidence problems, kind of the AI fears were looming large, and
So we're
people,
gonna win the down
even
trade
when
and
they
then we're
qualify
gonna
for home, didn't want to go ahead and make the
finish
purchase.
off for the up
That
trade
seems
if
to
we
be
lose.
changing now. What we've seen for order growth so far in the second quarter has been generally better than expected. Most of our companies in the first quarter also saw better order growth than what we were looking for. So yeah, I think people are getting used to the fact that they're probably gonna have a 6
You
handle
gonna finish
instead
off
of a
this
4
down
handle on the
trade.
mortgage.
Fuck
And
that.
I think at this point, especially with
Win that up trade on
the builder's ability to help them
attack
find
this
a
down
payment
trade
and an
now.
incentive that works.
Cause like I
People
say,
going ahead and being a
I
little
just
more
put it in because of this right there, but I already know it's a up. I just put it in right there just because of this. Cross that.
May have peaked here.
You feel me? If you go back, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Peak is in, but what we have heard that's encouraging
But
is
like
that
I
for
understand
the
this
builders
trade and
because of the
shit,
incentives
algorithm, it'll
actually
always
down
come back,
sequentially
it'll
from
always
the
go
first
down,
quarter
it'll
to the
always go
second
up,
quarter.
so you're gonna always have a chance to get
July's
money
been
back.
pretty volatile. Mortgage rates have pretty much gone
You feel
straight
me?
up all month.
So it's gonna hold
we may
the
not have hit
market
peak yet,
just for
but
you to win.
it sounds like things are getting a
Algorithm.
little better in the field, and builders are trying to
That's
hold
part
on
of the
where they can.
algorithm.
At some point,
So
you
I'm
have
catching
to, as a
the
builder, start
retracement
producing
going down,
the
even though
excess
we're in an
houses that
uptrade.
he built during this spring to get ready for next year.
Algorithm, bow.
So
I got
it
my
wouldn't
money
surprise
back.
me if we have one more quarter, maybe
I
the
know we on an
incentives
uptrade,
popping
and
up
guess
again,
what?
but it feels
If
like
we
we're closer
crash,
to the top than we were maybe
that
2 or
is
3
going
quarters
up.
ago.
Broadly, Jay, what are the big risks for your coverage universe for the builders? I
There
mean,
we go.
if you were ranking, would it be race, Jay? Would it be the labor
I said
market?
because it had
Would
a
it be
wick
consumer
right there.
confidence? Walk us through it.
What fuck are we going on?
Yeah, I mean, it's jobs are always the first thing. If you don't have a job,
We've been
you can't get a
trading
home.
this shit going
So
up way
that's
from
why
it
the
was down
employment
here.
numbers
Now
of
we
late
finally
have
reached the top.
continued to,
We in oversold
in my mind,
territory.
at least lend some
And
reason to be
oversold is
bullish
going
on
to
the
push
career.
it up a little bit.
Mortgage
So
rates aren't
push it
healthy,
up. You know,
but
push it
again,
up
I
a little
think,
bit
like you
before
just
it
said,
start
buyers are
retracing
finding a
down.
way and
Just like down
accepting
here,
a
it push it
little
down,
higher rate,
stay
especially
at the
if
bottom, and then it
what
start
we
coming
call
up.
life needs built movers, which are
So I'm kind of
weddings,
like in
divorce,
a
deaths, etc.,
probably in a
divorces.
85
If people deferred that move for a
probability
year, maybe now they're ready
of
financially to
winning.
do it, or they're just accepting of where the rate is.
But if
And then
you
after
look,
that, yeah, I would say
it want to
confidence
come to this
and some of
top
the
right
fears
there.
about what's going on in the headlines right now.
For real, for real.
But at this point, it seems like the consumer is a little more accepting of where we are in the rate environment, the affordability environment.
Jay, let's end on some picks here. Why is Pulte a buy, Jay? And what are the catalysts you see for that one over the next 6-12 months?
Yeah, so Pulte's business mix is about 25% active adult, which that buyer group has been very active and continues to be their highest margin segment. And then another 50% of Pulte's business go to what we call move-up buyers.
He's kind of in like in a down trend, like shit trying to push down right now, but we're going to catch this
all year. The
trade.
move-up buyers have the personal balance sheet. They bring in some equity from the home that they're selling. And they're willing to go out and buy the home they want now and spend some money at the design center, which helps gross margin, operating margin, et cetera. So that's why we like Pulte. The majority is focused on move up and active adult. Their numbers this week look really good. Orders were better than what we expected. And I think especially as they're expanding their count this year of their active adult platform, which is called Del Web, we think that's another potential catalyst for earnings.
Jay, as always, great to see you. Thank you.
pushed up.
Thank you.
Food delivery company Wonder
Soon it's
announced
gonna
a
be going down because
$650
we
million
on
Series
overbought
B round
territory.
at a $9 billion
Once it crossed, they said we
valuation.
going down.
Finance
There we
executive
go.
editor Brian Sozzi sat down
We
with
went in
Mark
mad
Lord,
late.
founder of Wonder and owner of the Minnesota Timberwolves and Lynx.
So the biggest question I get about your business in our morning meeting here, y'all clients, at this stage, what does Wonder do?
It's a vertically integrated food platform. So what that means is we have a brick and mortar location where we built the technology to cook 26 different restaurants across every cuisine type with no gas.
He ain't really
no
cross
flames,
for
very
real.
lightly
It did right
trained
there,
people.
but he ain't really cross
Everything from
across that
high-end
little
steakhouse,
bit.
Bobby
Fuck
Flay
it.
Steak, Jose Andreas,
Algorithm.
burgers, barbecue, Chinese,
They got
Mexican,
good
Thai,
on too,
pizza,
but like I
fried
say, man,
chicken,
touch up
fast
there.
casual Mexican bowl, salads, everything you name it, it's all being cooked under one roof in 2,500 square feet. The benefit for the customer is that you can order from multiple restaurants in one single delivery. We also built all the software and we buck up so we own the delivery. So it's fully vertically integrated. So we can time the cooking with the delivery. We set a tight delivery radius. You're getting the food hotter, faster, and at a much lower price.
I'm an avid Grubhub user, and I've ordered a couple times, and I've gotten a Wonder bag, and I didn't realize it was even coming from Wonder.
Yeah, we do have the restaurants available on the delivery aggregators to just bring more people into the Wonder. But the majority of our traffic and orders come through our own app and website, about 85%.
So I mentioned to you before we got on here, there's a Wonder location opening up by my house, really right by my house. I'm like, I know the guy that founded the company. What is going to go in a building like that?
Yeah, so there'll be a small front of house, maybe 10, 15 seats.
Sure.
Most of it is going to be pickup and delivery. And in the back, that's where we'll build the infrastructure to cook the 26 restaurants today. In the future, there'll be hundreds of restaurants available out of that single location when we add in automation and robotics.
This sounds like the ultimate AI plan, and it's not lost on me in a morning after we heard Google taking up its CapEx by billions of dollars, Elon building robots and spending almost $30 billion in CapEx this year. How are you spending on CapEx related to AI?
Yeah, so you mentioned we bought Spice Robotics, so we'll be rolling that. It's an infinite make line, we call it. It makes 500 bowls an hour perfectly. So across every cuisine, from salads, fast casual Mexican, Greek bowls, poke bowls.
That was the tubes that they had, right? They
The tubes come down, the bowl turns, it puts the ingredients beautifully in the bowl, so you get a perfect bowl every time.